Hebei Yi Peng Line Equipment Manufacture Company Limited specialized in hardware production that support the power, utility, and telecommunication industries. The company, founded in 2010, we are a professional manufacturer in electric power fittings, especially on aerial, overhead line fitting and insulating fitting. Electrical equipment, such as power transmission and distribution products. The factory occupies a land area of 8,000 square meters, having more than 322 staffs, including 40 professional technicians. The factory has a team of strong technical force advanced machine, complete inspection equipment. Our products have passed tests by Electric Power Industry Electrical Wiring and Equipment Quality Test Center, Electric Power Industry Electrical Equipment Quality Test Center, and CNHV Research Institute. Our products' reliable quality and good performance have gained good reputation from domestic and overseas market. Besides, we have passed ISO certificate with part of products up to some European and American industrially developed countries level. Our products have been exported to Asia, Oceania, North America, South America, Middle East, Africa. With standard enterprise management, flexible operation mechanism, and excellent after-sales service and continuous innovation, make our company rapidly become one of the most professional enterprises in this industry. The company holds on principle of quality is life, reputation is base, providing customers with high-quality products and satisfactory service. We warmly welcome customers from all over the world and cooperate with us for the global power development.